In recent days, customers of the Guyana Power and Light Incorporated have experienced power outages. GPL's Director of Operations says that these are as a result of planned maintenance works. Shakil Bourne tells us more.
Planned maintenance activities are part of GPL maintenance strategy to ensure that the health of the network is at a satisfactory level to allow for a continuous and reliable supply of power to all of our customers.
Director Barrett Harjon noted maintenance works were decreased during and just after the March 2 elections. With the COVID-19 pandemic affecting Guyana, there were additional delays with the maintenance program. With the rainy season upon us, the director said the program has to take effect.
It is standard operating procedure that we enhance our maintenance activities by replacing defective line hardware and poles. Also, increase our vegetation management program, which involves planned tree trimming cycle and clearing of all other forms of vegetations along the transmission and distribution lines to ensure the integrity of the network.
The GPL director is pleading with customers to be understanding as the company works to upkeep its system by executing much-needed emergency works.
We understand that these outages can be of great inconvenience to our customers, since most of them are working at home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So we are asking our customers to please bear with us. These outages are necessary for us to carry out maintenance in order to keep our network strong so that we can continue to provide an uninterrupted supply of power to you.
Shakil Bourne for InfoHub.